Hi! In front of me is Oppo A96 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this smartphone. Start by going into Settings, scrolling down and choosing App Management. Then choose App Cloner and tap on one of the available apps that you wish to clone. In my case it's only Facebook, so I have to click on it, tap on the switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Now, if you want to, you can click on Rename App Clone and name it however you wish to. I will go with F2. Then, save your changes by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner and click Home button. Now, when I try to access Facebook, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!